Are you looking for your next-gen text-to-speech app for Mac? Introducing PopPop AI, a powerful platform that allows you to convert full documents in bulk, with no waiting and no limits. Vita 3D is your all-in-one platform for end-to-end 3D content creation. Generate detailed models from text or images, apply lifelike textures, auto-rig characters, generate animations from prompts, and capture realistic motion, all in a single seamless workflow. Create professional 3D assets faster and easier than ever before. But don't just take our word for it. Check out the testimonials from our users and see how PopPop AI has helped real people accomplish their audio projects. I have used the AI sound effect to create sounds that I have used within my videos. I have found them to be very realistic and natural sounding effects. Great site with lots of features. Sometimes it has a delay or a complete error, but usually fixed after one email. Nice people to communicate with. Their voice models are very spicy here. I would like to see more celebs in it. But for now the site is nice to work with. They are open to tips or suggestions. Their quality is good. It is only good if you stick to the gender, so men vote for men AI model, and a women vote for a women model voice. PopPop is good as it is now. Mind-blowing AI of the day. Take any MP3 and remove the vocals. Instant home karaoke. Great for non-profits wanting to spice up a staff meeting with a parody song. Found a surprisingly good free AI tool today. It's called PopPop AI. PopPop AI allows you to do text-to-speech, voice remover, and AI cover generating, without even needing to sign up. Thought it was quite fun and useful for a Friday.